Hi, this is Amy. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's dive into a problem that's been giving headaches ahead of the Olympics of 2024 in Paris, France. Bed bugs. Bed bugs can be unwelcome guests on your travel itinerary. So here's what experts are saying we should do to avoid them. These blood-sucking insects can quickly turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. So let's chat about how to keep these critters at bay and ensure you have a bug-free travel experience. Paris is renowned for its beautiful architecture, rich history, and incredible food. However, in recent years, it has gained a reputation for something less glamorous. Hotels, hostels, and even Airbnbs have reported cases of bedbug infestations, leaving tourists frustrated and itchy. But fear not, here are some tips to help you avoid these pesky critters. First things first, when booking a place to stay, check online reviews and ratings to see if there's been any recent complaints about bed bugs. When you arrive at your hotel or Airbnb, take a few minutes to inspect your room. Start with the bed and check the seams, folds, and crevices. Bed bugs are tiny, so you'll need to be thorough. Keep your luggage elevated on a luggage rack or in the bathroom. This minimizes the chances of bedbug hitching a ride in your bags. After your trip, be sure to wash and dry your clothes on high heat. Bedbugs can't survive extreme temperatures, so this will help ensure you don't bring any home with you. Consider using luggage protectors that are specifically designed to keep bedbugs out. A bedbug UV lamp is a portable device that emits ultraviolet light, which makes bedbugs and their eggs fluorescent and easy to spot. Simply use the lamp to scan your room, focusing on the bed, mattress, and nearby areas. Check the description below for more information on these UV lamps. If you discover bedbugs in your room, immediately notify the hotel or property management. They should take action to address the issue and relocate you to a bedbug-free room. Don't forget to document the problem. Take photos or videos of the bedbugs or any bites you may have. This documentation may be useful if you need to file a complaint or if you need to request a refund. If you experience severe allergic reactions or persistent itching, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Bedbug bites can be irritating, and it's important to address any health concern immediately. Traveling has so much to offer, and it's a shame that bedbugs are causing issues for travelers. However, with proper precautions, knowledge, and the tips we've shared today, you can minimize the chances of finding these unwanted guests during your trip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel advice. Thanks for watching, happy travels, sleep tight, and don't let the bedbugs bite.